Today here at Chef Dawg, we are going to be cooking ourselves some New York steaks. We got these from Costco. Right now, they're going for about $9.99 a pound. Usually they're right around $6.99-ish, but obviously everything's a little more expensive nowadays. All I use to season them, pepper, grind it, and then I like to use the Himalayan pink salt. You get both of these at Costco instead of just regular table salt. Put it on, let it sit at room temperature about 30 minutes, and that's it. Now, we've done a similar recipe with filet mignon. I'm gonna do the same thing with my New York steaks. I made up a little concoction of butter, and I'll go over that later with you. And we're gonna put it on a little earlier than I normally do when I cook it. Okay, so what we do, cast iron. I'm using 2 of them because these are pretty big, and I don't want them to get all bunched in there together and not cook evenly. General rule of thumb for me, I get this so hot that when I drop water on it, it just evaporates. So once it gets there, then I'll place those on. While this is heating up, I'll give you a quick rundown of my butter recipe. All I used was a stick of butter, and I used real garlic, basically half tablespoon of garlic, and then a little bit of thyme. That's it. Put that on later and you'll see what I'll do. All right, I think we're ready. So what I do is 2 minutes aside, that's it, and then it's gonna go in the oven. Now my oven, I'm preheating it right now at 400 degrees. 2 minutes. I'm gonna run that on 2 minutes on each side. Okay, now what I do, I'll take these from the iron skillet and put it right into the stove. We've preheated this again at 400 degrees. If you want it rare, I'd say you cook it in here for maybe 3 to 4 minutes and then add an extra couple minutes for each level of wellness. I want more of just like a medium, so I'm probably gonna put them in here for right around 5 minutes because I'd rather have it a little under than over. Okay, 5 minutes. Now another thing, don't forget, is after I season the steaks and all that, you also wanna put a coating of like vegetable oil over the top of them. That's important. I actually forgot to do it this time, so I had to do it when I was cooking them.
5 minutes later.
So we're down to 3 minutes is almost up. We got like 15 seconds left, but see what it's doing? Kind of caramelizing that top a little bit. It's exactly what you want. Oh, and see the juices there at the bottom? Oh, yummy. Here we go. I'm gonna cut in. Oh yeah, okay. That's probably perfect. Mama's gonna try it. Oh, that's good.
So when he makes his fillets like this, I can eat them without like steak sauce. But I need steak sauce for this one.
Just an FYI.
Steak's good. I love steak.
Yeah, but the steak sauce, so if that's the case, whenever you make steak, then it doesn't really matter what you make because it's just gonna taste like the steak sauce anyway. So if that's the game plan, get the cheapest steak you can find and then put your A1 on it, right? Because all you're gonna taste is the A1. Okay, see those juices? That down there, just an FYI, but that is delicious. Highly recommend dipping it in that juice. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed Chef Dawg. Hopefully you're all having a good one. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you don't mind subscribing, commenting, liking. We really like the comments. We're getting a lot of good ones, so keep that up. Okay, have a good one. Bye.